Is your business ready to keep growing in the future? Is your business prepared for the type of client that's going to continue walking through your door, much less the type of cars that we're having to work on? Hi, I'm Danny Sanchez, CEO and founder of Autoshop Solutions. And one of the things that I have seen over these many years that I've been in this industry is the evolution of customer. Things have changed, not only in the way they do business with us, but it's clearly in their expectations. Not just in how quickly we fix their car, but all the soft touches that are required to help a customer feel good about using our services. If you really want to grow your business, yes, of course, make sure you're fixing their car right the first time and don't leave any greasy fingerprints on the steering wheel. But if you're looking for the ways in order to grow your business that help your customers not just feel good about your services, but rave to their friends and family on where they need to take your cars, join me for this class in the evolution of the customer and making sure that your company is evolving with them.